Here's the #1 trend in landscape design we're seeing in 2025, and it may not be what you expect. And that trend, which we're seeing more and more, and we continue to get so many requests for, is a designated wellness area. You don't need to book a day spa to relax. You can turn your backyard into a day spa that's more luxurious than any place you could visit, and it has all the amenities at your fingertips 24/7. And it's actually easier to achieve than you might think. Now, the top 2 features that we're seeing requested over and over again, and that are actually pretty easy to integrate into any space, are a sauna and a cold plunge pool. The demand for these have skyrocketed, especially in the past year. And the great thing is that they can fit into an existing landscape, even if you're not planning on doing a full remodel. So there's 2 ways that these can be included in your design. You can go the prefab route, where you just find something that is a very high end and fits into the space, or you can create a whole custom area to kind of encase these elements and really make them feel like they are just seamless with all the other elements you have in your yard. Now, when it comes to the placement of them, obviously we're getting a lot of requests to have them side by side so that our clients can go from one to the other. Also, we have clients asking to make sure that while they're in the sauna, they have a view of something to look at that is really beautiful and aesthetic. And another main goal is to make sure that it doesn't feel like these were just plopped down and they don't have any correlation to other objects in the yard. And our #2 most requested wellness item is an outdoor shower. Now, the sky is the limit for how luxurious you want this to be. We can create something that is a total zen space where you can take a full actual shower, just luxuriating in nature, or it could be something a bit more simple that's simply meant to rinse off coming to and from the pool while you're enjoying the backyard. This is also a relatively easy feature to include in any space of any size, but it's important to understand what you want it to be. And it's important to remember that you can actually make an outdoor shower a focal point, something that's beautiful to look at even when it's not in use. Another feature we're seeing more and more, and this does require a pool, is a jet stream that you can swim against. Now, obviously this will require a certain type of pool, and to be retrofitted, it can be a bit complicated, but it's something that for our clients that have it, they absolutely love, and they get so much more use out of their pool because they're using it daily for exercise and wellness. And another trend we're seeing in the same vein is really incorporating the outdoor gym to the overall backyard. For a lot of our clients, they want to slide open the door so when they're working out, they feel like they're enveloped in nature. They have a beautiful view of water or fire, and they feel inspired as they're doing their workout. So making sure that wherever that gym is located feels integrated and a part of the outdoor space that we create. Now, there's 2 specific elements which are very helpful to incorporate if you do want your yard to have that spa-like feel. The first one is to find a way to incorporate a very soft trickling water sound. Now, this is very important because it's very easy for water to be overly loud, and we're really talking something that just melts into the background, where if you're not paying attention, you may not even hear it or focus on it, but something which really contributes to that relaxing spa-like feel. And the second thing is recessed or integrated lighting. Now, a very important thing to remember about lighting is that we want it to be subtle, we want it to be in the background, and we also want to consider the temperature of the light. Now, this is so important for creating a very calming and relaxing space. The lower the temperature of the light, the more yellow or orange it will be. And this is gonna just really give you a relaxing, calming vibe, especially in the night, or if it's in a space that tends to be a bit darker. If these tips are helpful, check out this playlist with more design tips for your yard. You deserve a yard you love and a relaxing space you can unwind. When you're ready to get started, click the link in the description box to book a free design consultation call with our team today.